Friends, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can find hidden photos on your Google Photo. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write your comments. Let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Now I'm going to show you how you can hide photos in general. To do this, select some photo. At the top, tap on the three dots. You'll scroll a little bit to the side. And here you'll see a lock sign like this to move to hidden photos. You click on it, and then you say yes. So the photo will be removed, as you can see, from the shared photos on Google Photos. Move to the hidden photos folder. And then how to find that folder. To do that, go to Library. Then Utilities. And then scroll down, so you will find at the very bottom the locked photos. Click on that. And then you'll need to either enter your phone password or unlock this folder thanks to Face ID. Once you're in the Hidden Photos folder, you can delete them or return them to the regular folder with all your photos. You can do this with all of your images. This is the simple way you can easily find hidden photos by your Google Photo. Friends, I hope this video was useful for you, helped you. Please subscribe to our channel, write comments, put likes, and see you soon.